Hear all the
Yeah.
ding, ding, dings.
We're just clicking for fun.
Okay. All right, so what, if we're using Dreamweaver, I'm telling you, so the first step is, of course, open your web editor of your choice. We opened it in Dreamweaver, so y'all can still get comfortable with that. This already puts in your doc type, your HTMLs, your head tags, title tags, and body tags. All right, so all of it's already in there for us. Now, do I like it already being in there? No, I do not. Okay, so it says number 3 in the title field, type your name. So I need somebody to tell me where exactly I'm going to type my name. Where it says index. Good. I'm going to type my name there. All right, identify where your content goes and offset by hitting enter a few times to space it out. Where does my content go? So under the first body tag, we're going to hit enter. Yep, that's right. Open it up a few spaces so you have some room to work. Typically, I don't do that, but that's what I told you to do in the rules. Number 5, create a horizontal rule at the top of your content area. How do I do that? Just HR? Okay. Now we're going to create a big headline that says all about music. So how do I do that? Below. What? H1? Just H1? In the brackets. You're going to type in all about music. Number 7, create a paragraph and fill it with a couple of sentences that describe the music you like best and your favorite musical artist. How do I create a paragraph? It's going to be a P in the brackets, correct. So now take about 2 or 3 minutes and fill out a paragraph saying what you like about, or what your favorite music is, or whatever it says. And your favorite music artist. All right. Everybody got it written out? I still hear a lot of typing. All right, so but beneath this paragraph, we're going to put in a slightly smaller heading that says favorite lyrics. What should we put in?
H2 in brackets.
H2 in brackets. Okay. And then type in favorite lyrics.
Aren't we supposed to be tapping these over?
What?
Like,
are you talking
put
about?
More, like each one's supposed to be on like a different tab.
No, not necessarily. Just like your body.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now go find your favorite song lyrics and in a paragraph form, you're going to put your lyrics in there. And then I like to clean it up because everything kind of drops back to the main if you just copy and paste it as it is. So if you see here, I always kind of tab mine over. Now, does it look right on my website? Yes, no?
Yeah.
Yeah? It does? Does my lyrics look like they do on the bottom?
Oh, no, so you're gonna have to put like some sort of
We're gonna have to put in some type of
Yes.
break. Yes,
break,
line break.
paragraph.
Now, I have not taught y'all this one yet.
No.
So you're gonna type in your little alligator mouth and a BR and look what it does. And at the end of every lyric where your line breaks, you're gonna put that. Now, my particular song that I'm using has another space that I have to do 2 breaks,
We use all the lyrics or just
Yeah.
a part?
all the lyrics.
Oh,
The entire.
So now, if you look at my lyrics, they are broken down by the verse and the chorus. Oh, I still got a lot more verses. Let me copy them over to you. Now I'm gonna have the song stuck in my head.
Right.
No, because now I have to
That's your
listen to
radio.
the album when I get my car
Right.
because of this.
Let's go up tonight.
Wrong song.
Right, right lyrics. but wrong.
Right lyrics, wrong song.
I left my headphones. in.
This is a fantastic soundtrack if y'all ever listen to it.
You wanna play?
Ugh, my friend's daughter had lice and now I'm like, I hadn't even been around the kid, but now my head itches all the
Oh, yeah,
time.
you'll start thinking about it.
All the time. They're building a page.
I'm just gonna tell you, so you're, for digital photography, you're going by the running list, and I'm changing it on, like, I'm changing it on our plan anyway.
Yeah.
But I just did that and it worked fine, so I don't know if maybe you needed to reboot.
Maybe. Cause I
But
was
yeah.
like, it shouldn't have done it. but
Well,
it-
like I
it got all
remember,
wonky
I
on
didn't
me.
pay too close attention and I walked in and wasn't even sure what you were doing. Like
Yeah.
now I know what it is.
Yeah.
Okay, I know. But you made it as smart and then it didn't appear, yeah, like.
It
But
just got
it just did it. So I think it was, I'm just saying,
something with the
I think
computer.
you were doing it right. I just thought I would
I
let
was
you
like,
know.
what the heck? Of course it happens as
Yeah.
I'm teaching,
I
right?
think,
So then, of course, I went down the rabbit trail yesterday watching videos on it, trying to figure out what the hell I
I
did
think
wrong.
it was, I think if you, like, if
So it
they're,
must
if they're
be the
working and you want to
computer.
sit here and
I'll look at it.
like
and play
reboot
with
and
it.
see, I think you were doing it right, from what I can
So
tell.
mad.
And I have decided.
I don't like looking stupid in front of my
I
students.
had taken Make a Caricature of Yourself. It used to be a project.
Yes.
And I took it out and made it,
And it's not-
but I think I don't, did you give them a daily assignment to do your own? Anyway, I'm
Not
gonna,
yet.
okay, well, because I showed them last time I taught it. I showed them how to make a caricature.
I did do the character last
Okay,
time.
I'm gonna add, I think it should be a project again. I had taken it away as a, what do you call it? A major
yeah.
project and minor project. Anyway, I'm just letting you know, I just decided just now.
It's not a bad idea because it's a lot of work. All right. Does everybody got their lyrics with their line breaks, with the extra spaces?
Is there a computer problem? I just saw somebody, they've moved. I was asking for when I had my phone.
Oh, no, you're good today, boo-boo.
Trust me, I tried to just do one paragraph too.
Nope, all the lyrics. Look, if I have to do it, you have to do it. Oh. tonight. Told you I was gonna get stuck in my head. All right, once you're done with that, we need to do another horizontal rule. Okay, everybody with me? Let's go. Ahoo tonight.
CW's favorite songs when it comes to the cheating scene.
Yeah,
Right.
amazing. All right. If you are done with that and you want to move forward, you can. Now you got to do your style sheet. So use your style sheet to change the color of like your headings. If you want to change your background color, you can. The biggest thing I'm looking for is your headings. You remember how to do that? We're doing our first heading. What do we type in?
H1,
H1.
fancy bracket,
And the what?
fancier bracket.
The fancier graphics. Yeah.
Sorry, that's the only way I know how to describe them.
Okay. And then what do we do to change the color?
Color. Yeah.
Type in the color or the number, see.
Yeah.
The number 1,000 to 2,000. Or type in the color.
Let's do. Just throw things. Jeez.
You said,
Yeah.
Reject the system.
So let's see. I have a header 1 and a header 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and change both of those colors. My other header, what do I want to change it to? Let's look up some pretty colors. Ooh. I'm a little partial to blue. I don't know if y'all can tell that. I'm even going to change my paragraph because why the heck not? But I'm going to change it to navy, which
Capital
is
P or lowercase?
hashtag, huh?
Capital P or lowercase? I can't see.
Lowercase. Is that not the same color? Maybe we're gonna find out. That's not the navy I was thinking of. Maybe if I go a little darker. Yeah, that's what I want right there. I'm gonna even change my horizontal rule. Because I can. Do y'all remember what we did with our horizontal rules before? We made them dotted. Yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my border, which is gonna be none because I don't want a weird border on it.
It does not work to change.
What?
I can't change my paragraph color. I'm not sure what.
I'm gonna make my dot 10 pixels because I like that. I tend to stick to the same ones every time. And then because I have all these blues, I think I'm gonna change my color to maybe like a turquoise. You're gonna recognize it? Yeah, okay. And then I like it cutting kind of in the middle of the page, but y'all don't have to do that. I'm just a little extra. Why are you not working? Oh, because I forgot something. So the width, I'm gonna do 75% on this one. Is that all my fun things except for my background? I'm gonna save my style sheet. You know what? I'm gonna put a background on there too, just for the kicks and giggles. Nothing.
No, like, it just, like, took me out of it.
Does it not like you?
Mhm.
And I'm gonna change my background color to, let's do, I have to look this color up. I'm gonna do, I don't know how this is gonna look. We're gonna find out. Okay. So if you got your background, if you got your style sheet done, what can we do? How?
In my paragraph to actually accept the CSS.
Hold on, guys. I'm gonna have to stop sharing for a second. Oh, I forget you changed your mouse.
Sorry.
Okay.
You're just really mad about where I put my brackets.
I just can read it better when it's in the right
Yeah.
spot.
It's just, it won't take the color or the font size, like it's not edited at all. Everything else works fine.
Oh, I see it.
What did I break?
I want to see if you can find it. I see it though. You're gonna be pissed.
Is it the double centering? Is that-
Should be.
It should.
Because you're overwriting it.
I wasn't thinking about it because I just did that after that. See. Yep, it is the double center.
Yep.
Oh. Yeah. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Now, if you feel like your little sentences are going too long, you can break them up earlier up here at the top too. And then you might want to do some other things just to play with it, but this is all you're required to do for this assignment. I kind of went a little crazy with it, but now when you go and you pull up your site, well, we haven't linked it yet. Do y'all remember? Tell me how to link it. How do we link our CSS? I mean, I know how. I need y'all to tell me how. Surprisingly, I do know some things.
You have to link it with your CSS, like you do it with the UTF. I think it's like CSS with your color title.
You are
I just don't know the form.
somewhere on the right track.
Link, rel equal style sheet, type equal text plus.
Wait, say that again.
Okay, so you do link, alligator mouse.
I literally just type in link.
Well, not all that, and then you put in rel, like real one have the A, and then equal, quotation mark style sheet. We're getting there. And then you move out of that. You go to type equal quotation mark text slash CSS. Then you go to equal quotation mark.
Did you just say her?
Equal CSS slash the other file up there. Yeah.
Nope,
No,
not index.
the style sheet. Yeah.
I was just going on what you said.
And then,
And then the other alligator mode.
okay,
Great works.
and then just pray that it works.
It didn't for me. It did for me. Wait,
Look at there, y'all.
why did I? Oh, wait, it's only because I don't have a background color.
Bless it.
Mine didn't work either.
Double check to make sure you didn't spell something wrong. That's the easiest thing to check for.
Yeah,
Everything spelled correctly?
yeah.
You got all your little links there that you need?
I believe so.
I can almost guarantee you don't. I'm gonna take a bet on it.
No. I'm not betting on me at all.
I mean, I will take you down the betting path.
No, I'm good. I don't need to lose money to that. Oh, wait, I think I forgot.
Oh,
quotation.
Oh, but you have everything.
Hey, I didn't say I was gonna bet on myself.
Don't you
I
mean
thought it
gain
was
money
right.
instead of lose money?
If I was a betting person in my class, I would win so much money all the time.
More like.
You wanna bet on that?
No, it's not. good.
My God. That's what I did.
And I still-
All right, how's everybody's working?
Mine's not working still.
Yours is not working still. Let me, we're not here to judge your bad color choices, even though you've already taken a class on color.
Yeah, I know.
I'm so confused right now.
What are we gotta choose?
It's nothing showing up, just basically see from my style sheet.
No.
Is your style sheet incorrect? Okay, that's
Where I'm missing something.
go back to your, okay.
Even when I'm done.
Did you make sure to change that to the original one?
Done is
Or did you
done.
just copy that one?
No, I typed out what sheet.
Okay.
Want to turn on sticky. Why is my computer hasn't seen it? Like I have it.
Let me try this real quick, just to see if it.
I mean, I had to save over it, but
That's fine.
because I put it in my HTML2 folder, I put my first page folder. So I had to move it and then it messed it up, so I had to resave it, copy of it.
Actually wondering why it's not giving you the option to automatically fill.
It doesn't always.
Okay, that would be, actually, I think I might see. Oh, shoot.
I can tell you the problem right now. Y'all are overlooking the simplest thing right now.
The title.
Hold on, stop messing with the computer.
I was saving.
Y'all,
What am I looking
look
at?
at this and tell me what is missing.
You got lyrics.
Charlie, you're gonna be so mad.
Oh, did I misspell something?
Where are the BRs?
What is wrong with this coding?
Where are your BRs?
Oh, shoot, HTML in. That's not
No, that's
true.
right.
That's fine.
Oh, you don't have that text CSS John formation.
It's got the text CSS in there correctly.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, you're gonna be so mad, boo boo. You're gonna be so mad.
So you go style sheet,
Wrong file.
and then you go text the one.
No.
instead of your-
Oh, I thought somebody said it.
Wait, what? do you mean?
Wrong file. I didn't know.
I'll,
You don't need to pull up anything.
I'll,
Y'all are on the right page. Y'all are just overlooking it.
Let's think simple.
It's very simple. These are the type of mistakes that will drive you mad, but if you think in terms of starting looking for the smallest things to fix first, you will get it.
give me.
Nothing on your own page is going to help you figure this out.
It's saved in the right spot, isn't it, or is it not?
Yeah, it's saved fine.
It's your style sheet that's the issue.
What's the issue with the style sheet?
That's what I was trying to
Your
click
style
on before you
sheet
yelled
must
at
have
me.
either.
It's not in the style sheet. That's the issue. That's why I said you don't have to
Also, it
leave
says
that
the style
page.
sheet like the format.
Yeah.
Go back to the HTML, please.
All that, yeah.
It's on this page. That's the issue.
Who is it gonna work?
I'm going to.
There you go, baby. Your C, you had a CCS instead of CSS. So it's always something really small and minute, but it'll drive you
It's
nuts.
the worst part of anything computer.
So that, something that simple will completely screw up an entire program.
Yeah, I get some help with mine. Mine is
I got
like-
you, bro. I got
Let's look you up. Hold on, back up, everybody, back up.
Okay.
Where is Roman?
I'm probably last.
You never last, Roman.
Yeah.
No, that's reserved for.
You saw me on
Zach over
track
there.
days. Let's just say high jump didn't know.
My target today.
All right, give my computer a second and it'll trigger.
I don't know why it looks like that.
I'm gonna take over for a second because, yep, there we go. All right, let's look at Romans and see what's going on. So what's happening? Is yours not showing up either?
Yeah, for color.
None of your colors coming up? Yeah, it's
like-
up there in the background.
Is it saved in the correct file?
Yeah, I got it on index. Is it supposed to be style sheet CSS folder or?
I'm gonna take over for a second. I need to look at something.
Why is it so little? Yeah, is that it?
Yes.
It's in the wrong folder.
Oh,
Your CSS folder should just be called CSS and your style sheet should be inside of it.
All right, boo, this is our problem. You're still in you're still in here. So what we're gonna do is on this page, we're gonna create your first page, because you never want all your pages together.
I put it on desktop first page and it would have uploaded.
It wouldn't upload it? Okay.
Yeah.
So it's just being wonky.
Yes.
Rude.
It'll be improved.
So let's type in that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back over here.
Bless you.
We're gonna do save as. We're gonna go over here into our first page. We're gonna save it here. Okay, bud?
Okay.
Yes. And then we're gonna go to our style sheet. That's right here. We're gonna do the same thing. So save as, but we're gonna go over here to our first page into our CSS, change it to a CSS file,
Yeah.
save. Yes.
Oh, yeah, no, that's fine.
I'm
Okay.
just not trying. I just need
It's not that you're not trying. It's something new that you're learning.
Yeah.
So don't,
Could you imagine this be a Fortnite class?
it'd be a lot of tears. So let's go over here. Let's refresh this. Nothing's happening. So there is still another issue.
I think it's my code.
So it's your, oh, it's right
Oh,
here. It's
God,
all right here, boo.
brother.
There you
I
go.
can't wait till. I
Look
get
what's
my-
happening. Look what happened.
Oh,
So now when we go over here and we refresh this page, come on.
What did I do?
Oh, that's the old page.
Yeah, you were supposed to have the above. and on top.
There it is, babe. It was just how your folder was laid out. That's all.
I don't think there's any problem. I don't think so.
All right, boo. You have control back.
thank you.
It's good design.
Who else needs help with theirs? How are we doing? Good?
He said, what is going on? All I see is red.
It's just red.
Does somebody need help with theirs? You need mental help.
We all.
How are you doing since you missed a class? Are you doing okay with staying up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if I need help, I can just watch a video.
Yeah, I got the videos for you. All right, so everybody's got their website built, right? Once you make sure it's working properly, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna go over here to your, now listen, you're gonna submit this wrong and I'm not gonna be happy because you're not listening. You're gonna go over here to your first page. We're gonna back out of that so where I can see my whole folder. See this? That's my whole folder. To be able to send it to me where I can open it, you have to hit the send to and compress it. It's going to give you another thing like this. And what I want you to do is I want you to put your last name first page.
Are you going to be grading this as technically as you were last time?
Yes.
Are you going to count off if we have, like, I centered my stuff, you didn't
No,
tell us to?
I said you could do extra stuff.
Okay, I'm making sure this,
You said send to.
And then you would submit the zip file,
Okay, you said send to and then
So the whole.
compress. Mhm.
and then
where the hell is it? Oh.
you want to submit what?
Your last name, first page. And then once you do that and you submit it, we will call it a day. That sound good with everybody? Okay. You have a question? Hold on, guys. I can't hear people. What's that? Your H1's not changing? Go back to your other sheet.
Have you checked the actual website?
Oh, I see your problem. Do you see your problem? It's in the coding itself.
After,
Does anybody see where Zach's issue is? There you go, Zach. Yeah, don't you hate it? One letter completely messed you up.
after we compress it, we submit it in the assignment.
Yes.
Okay.
Rochelle, are you having trouble with your background?
Yeah.
Let me find you.
Can you show me the zipping again, because I'm not used to this.
Hold on. Oh, okay. So here, instead of typing in magenta, type in hashtag FF00FF. Two zeros in between the Fs. And take the zero off on the end. And then, okay, so go back to the Dreamweaver. Go to your Wait, what? Wait, honey, why?
Why is your style sheet name CSS?
Hold on. Let me take over for a second, Rochelle. Why is it on your H? What? Oh, because you have it. Okay, I see what you're doing. I see. Took a second. Let me give you back control. Pull up your HTML, actual HTML.
We submit it. Can we go?
Yes. Where your link is got the link REL equals, that needs to say style sheet instead of CSS. It don't matter. It recognizes the word style sheet as being your style sheet, so just change that to style sheet. Hit you know, save it and then refresh it. There you go. You're welcome. Yeah, that right there always has to say style, always has to say style sheet. You need help?
When I turned it in and when I tried to click on the link that I turned in, it went like,
It's gonna look wonky on your end.
okay.
Yeah.
It was still like none of the colors.
It won't, I have to unzip it and then open it and it'll work perfectly.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it does. It looks really weird when you zip it at
Okay,
first.
that was
Stacy,
Yeah,
what
don't-
else for today?
Nothing else for today. What do you need?
Oh, no, never mind, it's fine.
You got it?
Yeah, I forgot, you have to highlight it in these, and then you have to click on zip in the share menu instead of opposite clicking it, like I can't. I have WinZip, I still use WinZip, and so it automatically pops up if I opposite click it, that I can zip it. I'm not used to hunting elsewhere for that.
Yeah.
Remember how we said, like, you know, the computers with the white?
Mhm.
And we had found something on the computer that makes it dimmer, because they don't do the bright, they don't let us have brightness, but we do.
So if you go,
Cause just today it's messing with my eye.
Okay.
Cause it's like cloudy. outside and we
if
have lights.
you right click to display settings, and then you can do,
Can turn it-
we can either do, oh, that didn't even change it. You can change it to that, just,
Yeah, cause we had like, yeah, made it so. Just to offset my eyes.
and you can click on that turn on now and it'll automatically change it for you. So it's gonna be under display settings and then night light settings. And that'll help with that blue light.
I didn't think about this because of the way I set up my screen, mine's actually optimized for this view,
It doesn't matter.
because force of habit. I always have more fun than
I haven't seen it. Once across Spider-Verse. Oh, across Spider-Verse better.
Anybody else need help? Other than mental health?